Okay, so right now Facebook monetization is here. You need to start making money on your Facebook profile. So today I'm focusing on your Facebook profile because with your Facebook profile you can start making money on Facebook. Now, one will ask me, we all know that it's Facebook page, but how Facebook profile? So you can change your Facebook profile into a Facebook page by turning on your professional mode. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do that and also show you how you can create Facebook page for yourself in order for you to start making money on Facebook. So this is Charlie, this is an advantage for us, and you have to grab this opportunity to start making money on Facebook. Very important as well. Okay, so this is one of my Facebook profile here, and of course I started with this strategy. So officially it was for friends. Okay, so I created it as a profile, so I was accepting friends requests. So once I exceeded I got to 5k followers, then I turned it into a professional mode for me to start making money on Facebook. Charlie, just imagine this, you can start making money on Facebook by doing this. All right, so please, before I dive into this particular video, please and please again, please, I beg you, kindly subscribe to this particular channel, like this video, and share this video with others. If you have any comment, leave it under the comment section, and I'm going to take time to reply each and every one of you. Don't forget to join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video, so please, you can join me out there. You guys are doing great. I thank each and everyone following me, watching my videos, and a lot. Thank each and everyone, and I hope you're going to share another for people to join me out here. Okay, so the first thing you have to do here is to go to your Facebook profile, because you are using the Facebook profile. Of course, you are using the Facebook profile, so bear with me that you don't have a page. So we are going to convert our profile into a page in order for us to start making money online. But note that here you can see we have friends here, because we have 4.9k friends. It's not followers. Once you change it into a Facebook page, or once you turn on the professional mode, it's going to change into followers. That means you can start making money on Facebook. But with this profile here, you can't start making money because you don't have no followers, you have no content, nothing is here. So you have to change it. You have to turn on the professional mode in order for you to start. So let's dive into how you can do that. So once you get to your page here, please, you can see some three dot icon here. Okay, three dot icon, click on that. So once you click on it, there are a lot of options here. All you have to search in for is turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode, that's the third one here on my screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will ask you turn on professional mode. So turning on professional mode is going to add new tools to your profile so that you can grow as a creator on Facebook. Okay, and you're also going to get paid for your content. So if you're eligible, unlock monetization tool to earn money by creating new content. You're also going to see content insight. That is, we're also going to see how your audience are responding to your content, how your content are also going viral, your pictures, your videos that you'll be posting are going viral, and other stuff, countries viewing it, and a lot. You are going to see it on the content insight. Okay, and you're also going to get a lot of followers by turning on the professional mode. So these are the three key things you're going to get by turning on your professional mode. First of all, you're going to get paid. Second, you're going to get the insight of your content, and also going to get a lot of followers on your page whilst turning your profile into a professional mode in order for you to become a page. Okay, so all you have to do here is to just click on turn on. Once you click on turn on, the system is automatically going to do that. So you say success, you have, or your profile is now a professional mode. So you can see my profile here is now a professional mode. Now I told you that before you can get to know that it has turned into a professional mode, or it has turned into a page, once you get to your profile, it's going to turn into followers and following. It's no more going to change into friends. Okay, so let's go back and check it out. Okay, so let's refresh my page here and go back and refresh it. So let's try to refresh it and see if it has successfully turned into followers that we are talking about. So you can see I have 5.5k followers and 23 following. So you can see it has now changed into a professional mode. Charlie, this is very simple. So in order for you to see that if you're eligible to the monetization process, all you have to do is to just click on see dashboard. Once you click on see dashboard, it will turn your dashboard, and then you start knowing how you can go by that. But I'll take time to come and explain this aspect of the professional dashboard in order for you to know if you are monetized on your account or you can start making money on Facebook. Okay, so once I finish with this particular video, my next video is going to explain much about the dashboard, how you can get to know that you've monetized on Facebook, how you can start making money, how you can contribute to your Facebook profile here. So you can see we have successfully turned our profile into a page, and here whereby we can start producing a lot of content in order for you to get a lot of money on Facebook. But aside getting a Facebook page, there are other requirements too as well. You have to get a 5k followers, that's 5,000 followers. You also have to get about 60 minutes of your watch videos or watch content. You also have to go by the policies of Facebook. That means you shouldn't go by the violations of Facebook. Very necessary. Okay, so I'll get time to explain to you the monetization aspect of Facebook. Okay, so here we've been able to turn our profile into a professional mode to become a page. Now, how do we create a page? So that's the second thing. You have to create a page. In terms, you have a profile or you want to create a page for your business, you want to promote your content, you want to promote your organization, something like that, and you want to create a page for yourself. This is how you can do it. So all you have to do is to just come back here. So as we come back here, click on see more. So these are a lot of options here. Please, you should know that there are difference between Facebook group, Facebook profile, and a Facebook page. Okay, there are difference between these three things. Once you have Facebook page, you can start making money on Facebook. But once you have Facebook groups, please, you can't monetize your account. There is no way you can monetize your account with a Facebook groups. Okay, so maybe I want to create a page for myself. So you can see at this option you have page here. Okay, click on page. Once you click on page, currently I am managing 3 pages here right now. Okay, so all you have to do is to just click on the create. All right, so once you click on the create, it will tell you to get start, and then you have to enter your page name depending on the kind of content you want to produce. So if in case you want to produce something like entertainment, music, notice stuffs, football, all you have to do is to just type in something like, let's say I want to come out with an idea of football. So I want to say football arena. Okay, so I want to say football arena or football area. Let me say football area. So all I have to do here is to just click on the next aspect here. Once I click on the next, it will tell me to select a category of the content that I want to produce. Is it a music? Is it a band? It is a health or beauty? But this one is sports league. Okay, so I like to go in and click on sports league. Please and please again, don't forget to subscribe as you're watching this particular video. Like this video, share this video with others, and join me on my WhatsApp and my Telegram as well. Charlie, you guys are doing a lot. Please keep it up, share my content, and subscribe to the video too as well as you're enjoying it. So once you select your category, please, you have to click on create. In terms you want to add any other category, you can go on and search in for the category. You can see the search for categories here. So once you are okay with the category, all you have to do is to just click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to take time to process itself for you in order for you to continue from there. Okay, so what you have to do next is to wait for some couple of seconds for it to process for you. Okay, so you have to set up your page. So you have to produce your bio. The bio simply means once someone tap on your page, the first thing that the person is going to read to attract them. Okay, so it's about football, so you can write something to do it. I used to produce, or I used to post on daily tips about football. You can talk about the transfer windows. You can talk about anything you want to talk about, the transfer videos. You can talk about predictions. You can talk about the weekly games, a lot. So it depends on your content. You have to talk about something to make your audience attractive to your page. Very important. So the next one is contact. So in case you have a website, maybe you have some Instagram page, you have YouTube page, you have TikTok, you have to put it at the website aspect here. And here too is the email. You can input your email for easy information, or in case someone want to contact you. You can also input in your mobile device to as well, mobile number, and insert in your address, your town or city, and your postcode to as well. You can also prefer to select when are you always available. Is it on hours time, or are you always open for business, or standard hours or specific hours which you are going to produce it yourself. So once you are done with that, all you have to do is just click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to take you to a different page whereby you are going to insert in a picture, or you're going to insert in a logo where they will see that, okay, this is football arena, so I have to produce something like a football, okay, something very catchy like football pictures, football logo, something like that, okay, in order for people to know. So if you are promoting music, if you're promoting entertainment, if you are promoting anything fashion, you have to come out with an idea of giving out a picture which will give a simple description about your page, okay. Once you are done with that, just click on next. So once you click on it, it will tell you to invite friends, okay. So in case you want your friends to know, that's the fastest way to grow your page, okay. You have to invite your friends, so once they click on that, they are also going to join your page. That's your page is going to grow continuously. So you have to click on next. So once you click on next, it will tell you some suggestions here, people who are willing. So stay informed about your page. So you have turned on notification. Anything concerning your page will be notified to your home screen, so that you can get to know how you can manage your account. So you can see it is switching to football arena. Now you can see football arena is created. So in case I filled in all the data that I talked about, everything will be intact here. But for the sake of this particular video, I just showed you everything you have to do here. So if you have any comments, if you have any suggestion, just leave it in the comment section. So once you are done with this, you are eligible to start making money on Facebook. Very easy and very simple. So I'll talk about the requirements, or the necessary requirement you have to get before you can start making money on Facebook. I'll talk about that in my next video. But here, first thing first is to have a Facebook page. So if you don't have the page, you can just still turn your profile into a professional mode, so that you can start making money on Facebook. So these are the two options for you, first of all. So the second thing is going to be in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell to get notified when I drop a new content just like this. Then I'm going to drop daily updates about how you can make money online. That's what I do on my channel, nothing else, Charlie. So just subscribe and let's talk about how you can do it. So Charlie, take advantage about Facebook. Now TikTok is not paying in Africa here. TikTok is not paying. YouTube is not easy. But Facebook, you might get it very easy, because Facebook contains a lot of users. A lot of people are on Facebook, much better, much more than TikTok and YouTube. So take advantage about Facebook. So the first thing to do here is to post daily. Okay, you have to be posting content, videos, pictures. You have to be posting. That's a lot. You have to be also consistent too as well. That's my simple and little thing I have to attach to this particular video for you. Please, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just showing and teaching you what I have been doing, and it is also promoting my brand. Okay, so please do well to be posting videos and pictures, and also stay focused, and consistency is the key. You can't be posting today and the next week then you're going to post. That's not going to help. So please keep on your consistency, which is the key for you to start making money on Facebook. And I hope you enjoyed this particular content. Thank you for watching this video. Watch my next video on how you can get monetized on Facebook. So this is the first process. The second process is on its way. Thank you for watching this particular video. Thank you for subscribing to as well, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.